Hello, agus fáilte Hugh Na Seansálaithe mas maith seansalaithe blociad Na Seansálaithe is me se Hugh na gile cheara a rasríslih tá deir seachtain gáanta na deir seachtain gurí níos teo. You know, grow in deir seachtains for hard and is chéit an blian go dtí seo. Totally not scary or Harvey faoi climate change with the mission. But sure look. Tá man seo Mar Scoil le muid cólaí mó chuide mar dús bar seála anywhere any Timpeall.
Ma go mai chail me sem maithir an lá sé seo bhí me in Glasgow chuin deir seachna. Tás gom gur be Glasgow at war chuine muir go ngáil.
Yeah, it's like the promised land basically. Also, if you were late this year, that'd be rad that you were missing out because I went to country to sesh like.
Yeah, bhí á mínta go mag bhí sé chur farne so. Okay, do you know what? Bhí me site hala Wetherspoon so ní hiaglam bheith a Eagrán.
No,
ní mar an gur caiid me an deir seach nó am lá sin nach, you know, bhí cuairt na go an.
Bhí ceart a bheith Eagrán má throw dún Wetherspoons. Although from Virginia land drunk texts reading deir seachting is of Virginia breast test.
What?
Oh, that boy which we should have shot. So Mark pasta the man and shot James Flaherty James from tattoo.
Ítach, you know, rud is smúth chun glindar mo chraí na chun daoine haar lear as go mín se ní tóchan seo éirí na mín se haar lear. So sin rud amháinte má bras as for climate change cho. Agus sin rud for once ní mis bhí children with drunk DMs, so another plus. Like plus for my vape gun. So má chraí amach agus mar dó.
Dílam just seo a dhéanú ní soléire. Sílam gur chu méid teachtar bháin i rá go me an bhródú as an tuirgan. Fu chuid an obair ar siúla go le ní rá me fiolta. Just honestly. Bhí coppla joc anm, bhí me lán le mothúcháin as bhí me cóbródú as in a lig. Agus tím sílas a gur rud teas sin. Ní cos na DMs James.
And Ken Fossil of the Sirod was I think I'm drunk, but Sinead, V2 were messaging.
Tás na mis a chud DM amach mar hin freisin. Agus bí mis a ceapa go si íontach agus go háling ach ní ceapan daoine eile sin.
Yeah. Well, mis tá the canal Áine.
Yeah, well, in fairness, we mis to like it.
Mohim go outed in it.
Ní James then you wang fiance group shot. There is another. Tá muid seo mar is grad an Sraith shot muid seo le speisialta agus is actually into cluster because in ahan ile Sraith eile bhí an dinge like more like spoiler or whatever as you tell the RC there can finger gonna go like test a key like must the Gurker Shar and feature YouTube I think her failing Áine her in this is legend bug did an alley just cost them a faster Póilín Nic Géidigh Póilín Timpeall
Híl mar gur smuoinúir dóibh nu dús a han sin tamnéarcur zoom is sama aine leití sa hánal agus a bhfuil in stehan seo be maine leite leis gobí so really bhí sin pointless agus sin lína mar síos agus like bhí ma cór just a gobar overtime agus lach sem a chuig gom intro. So
I think like Shannon intro was fudged to Jan to going in Sraith shot Gaji shot and I think you're near me on purpose to be honest just
go grom strahaljin le ma harp catch a mar letu.
Kaiti gober and core Shannon with the style actually that is the Higla James into Lumen Shaw core is what it's all about.
By PT podcasted and so nah.
Yeah, like Hugh and show Lord or Oscar like
No,
Jim Honey cártaí an.
Tongue the New Year's resolutions via Q, because them should affect on the gains it's around of law. They're like 6
type of Hugh. He'll miss a good ganyai too hard to 3 euros and shin gur stuff to come on.
Look, to seal the grihogum. Agus you know either Shaw agus either rubber agus you know from a show har and seachtainí fast you know criú like you know what just scree so you know car ní really chim hig gym
well Hugh tá me si buí a go bhfuir muid lig ticket be an gun show a bhí ar siúla go sin bomtein do gur mai go a deis really.
Pistols, not to what do you call it? They're ocean more gunny, probably water guns. I'd say in these moments.
Airsoft.
Yeah, but the Nerf basically.
Subscription Hugh at the gym because there's an edition that's Netflix. I could not run on Netflix to do. Like should that Hugh go gym.
Well, it hit on.
Well, then you will a contest Netflix aku and then just usage a handling a contest aku.
No cos le daine tá Apple TV acu a Harbh gur cheanna siad run siad bh Apple agus hanar chun siidir leis a bblion.
Well
bhfuil Apple TV acu.
Apple TV hanne cheanan brenseart bh Apple.
Well Apple TV agat sa Póilín?
Tá Apple TV.
You me go tú cos go bheith mágad faoi de tíine seo.
Ó nó tá mar si tar sem má fuim hen ansa. Tá chláirhhaid an bhil tá dhéchláir an maiir tá Ted Lassoir agus tá chláirú de bhainnim Severance an de le ben ó Parks and Rec. Bheith difriil a teanta mai.
Sin the Rex inis. Hall go Ted Lasso speisialta, although I'd say just higlum AL, Sian Ashker, Stephen Chafting Etch, Geekerson, Apple TV.
Well, is dunne antá cin dóid an dear só bhfuil bíimsa cinál a gála si lí ach níorhhailmsa a bheith cotta sa phrísan margheallar Adam a bhéir let me watch this. I think gur bharlam run chat níos sad a bheith ananta gom the hain bars na bheith gur go le episode na leir ochlaméir.
Is few le urcur, Jennings a chuig blian. It's a joy. Her son Ted Lasso.
Well, you have to túisceart le Póilín Nic Géidigh. Tá Hugh me go chearú chuirta sa bísún mé brother Ted Lasso let me watch this.
James, tá go an wife chun radio agad.
Tá mi sé seo a réidir an gasta le blianta. Come on.
Bhí tú de thuirsgur ceartan sin cos le Póilín.
Tá agad an radio fásta.
Sí go méid leor goní agin in nacht.
Tá chun ban of mar DM ever a goin on I am gun radio.
Should have current in the voice notes.
Voice notes, yeah.
Country Shaw like so hyper specific a caiime Shaw. Well, Kevin agus Póilín an lad a bhí chumach heart or like earhún and all leis an boot land a pirate DVDs. They've been jingle like me soige.
So hahan is den ngáil deirsid salm as if grom sin mar chuid den ring so nach DVDs a más bush a like had annig sead le a hasa a droir hir check rom but you don't chumra mui for ding grom rá le ábéiding ach annig DVDs bí adam sa big nu gáil ziad Hollywood Nights in na Crushvalley agus iad the rental cos tá daoine
chuil cethir go leis
normal. Stop. Throwback and a half. James, the really good arm for shot. They shot like really hyper fixated or didn't all.
What a behord of it.
She don't get in mean go táne ag Hugh agus ma hen Póilín hanna hen. James and Sean Cade or ditch bull of Póilín?
Face to face. Well, not even face to face. So vim to the phone like here anyways. So yeah. Just down into you.
Chola má glársagus tar má bhá chéise go le boxa. And then I'm embarrassing. Mágad má James want bud.
Tá James ansástanis. John Tigrad is fair a riadósin.
Yeah. Tá mu sé fáing éad quotes as na Eagrán se ar fad go mé mar Tombstone actually be mo a chomór le Statue of Liberty.
Tombstone bis nuair bhar through the Tinder.
Yeah, okay. Come gan daio sé a dús though. I should have black capital that dús and then come out Póilín chin second and then F1 the King agus be list more fadam. Check me should
No. Ní glad. Yeah, I'd say agus sin a graveyard then be sin that's been to Kurt Shaw in the matches by James in the chachtainí.
I think it was just funny ride. You must be like mo hain or a holi.
Oh no.
It's my call sick. Me say no.
I mean, it's like na Nick J tender flamson, so
no.
That's it looking.
The interactive screen on them. Ooh,
Bitch, I cost this shit. You know, an intro to Star Wars. Bitch, I just scroll out to us.
Be screenan dan na poisttí le go a facha de garfeisttí le tú a matcha le seanir daile or seanhair daile le cos le flyhiis tinder matcha.
Sí gur ceirtín patenting anywhere seo sí gur switú ítá seo.
Interactive tombstones.
Ceapan se go má Montana ar tíns.
Se gus le rinte de hefh ar teleshopping ar séla gur wajin.
The stuff
with JML.
Yeah, stop JML fecking through the Goni and Tesco. It's like things not will you hard to Harvey, but you're like, oh, but what if tag cutting board agus skateboard y'all are making am clear and they're like, what if like
Gary Junior, you know, agus a bit cool.
Yeah, exactly. Beach a cockroach is féidir leat sná one faster. It's a swimming pool fryer. Sure, new like JML.
Do you know Ollie le the onions?
No. Can he kick
this is not.
Yeah, 1 second. Now we can't be shocked because we're not carry Shaw value.
Shades or care go Na Seansálaithe would be Na Seansálaithe teleshopping.
Be Áine na seaú podium agus be like bin rud spin al hearts be siiste in the hand gestures.
I think you're starting you got An Apprentice. Can you find like Ramager An Apprentice like what do you call it? Chill once in the smithy shot a geolig Lord Sugar that could be didn't you?
Stop with a reinter and crazy shot. How much stop with kind Swedish?
Jim Bishop the raw was that Kimmy Target to Katsagi shows. It was like oh, absolutely tada. Was that it's moin it on?
Top potential on.
Yeah.
Our Machnav really.
Yeah. Just card the thrust on agus bit a cracker dóid a hála the cash go actually free so to do obviously the coverage le run radio le bianti punch Seanish yeah oh no well I mean it's what a blian away so it's blianti yet
go bit technical we
yeah go flash it's stickler made on the ferricky and Shaw well Kevin Ogutsa Shaw like throwback and a half well Kevin Ogutsa a genu flyer the volume MP3
Céad fan géad lása chiadran lása bhí me gur muintir siar a Kieranson Eve Bell Eve Marta agus Darn
yes
Darn ó dugan yes Cláir dói
agus Ifo Connor fásta Ifo Connor an first sure
sé agus Civion bei marin Nic Géidigh sé Cláir dói big na le pí ceáile facu agus é thurici rivan chláir agus rana hat siise sí rutanna daoine go géis leis agus thuma se le trí réici agus dhéchan na bhí mar rilí gurí í heim is tríúgan can haimar has fa sin tríúcan obviously ach créú an chláir na a bhí muidirne híos an gáileh agus muidir freistal ar Ar Scoil dramaíocht a fibín agus bhí meise agus Darn is tíhinn te bannaí agan agus an Endraán agus bhín bhirrte gon géis leis TV cos ar actual like radio sa bhín bhirrte gon géis leis TV a bhirrte gon just a gáilté géiste an henéis like haró seinttear ri ans námsan na haró cin an na bhí mai go bhí so man waid tú go le map beá thhaid tú Harbí agus bhí se an na ri tairí náse so hí mar Johnson vertigun Alan le mu sná crack a gon náse vertigun tí géisi le glóis chun hens rilí ar a mána.
An sin an céad rud an tíú ar an radio.
Ní hé rin nar bhí má ar a bhain scoil Bhaid mar ste mar go mar ar scoil go a hanar agus bhí mar sin ar chiad scoil sa cheantar for brath glas like de har bheith a chuir sal a hanú agus caiise gromeise in rang dó na mar na rinte version a chuim deiste agus bhí waran cumtha ag príomhaide sugan fan timpachcht in sa scáil to the tune of O'Donnell le bú agus agus began Lord fan bra glasil agus sin began chuid an rang an sníol agus bhí mar cuairtí sa Heartland is ne má eil atá ri gan éiste leis.
Seán cé ce se le chuimiid gurt an gadí túgus sa bh dúnais.
Neall cemne dá léad go mar san tíú me gur éiste leis go gur héhím ar partypís go. Hello, so what am I go heolman heavy is chuig. Fan Timpeall Orainn had at him on.
No.
Climate change.
Sin programmer.
Is regan go demas dar an Greenpeace na just.
Yeah. No, how could that feel like in Greta Thunberg tá ír go gunn ná.
Really just for some mom had a Twitter beyond Snapson.
Sin rod. Jiffy the Bebo, the Bladhaire Bebo good.
Bhí mar shart.
Come on, like.
Hadó Bieber. Hannig sé níos muile. Hadó Bebo bíon go dtí Gromadine in ranga chuig na sé or hadó sé danne bí hart agus Sherman Wall rudig danne bí hart den na bunch bí a bhégad cos na garde bhégad. Tu go bhí dtíir for Facebook han ra Facebook ach fáinne Farmville immert. Agus bhí sé méad a far garde sexually so just haim má jama gimmert Farmville agus curgéistir méad a far lá leifsarte. So is just chicken coop níos mó hóga.
Or scar bitch, absolutely. The Farmville like unbelievable. You cadm sig Bebo though. Mis near like mo where so your arms just your arms just archer more year for Bebo. That was it. My year for Nishinne and then I should fall in love or fad. Me getting none of it. Raging. Absolutely.
Well actually Takanyam sin hiad yeri a wahimisher really like naiste. Vi tas a die like vi fell loves or Bebo when they're in all war. So I got that true sa or whatever. Car war like hear that nar had voking like love fest on nar agus hogla love a heart da a hanne like card na go agus hog ma si can that like shot the my card how you have your fi gom agus hog ma love da rinne den na stalk ha a vi not sarang lump but sarang os michon agus hadó like love a be because hadó love a be lehanna like it was sort of a petty love However, Sean the scholar la in the water as we a hanna new guy from so we're like she's like you love such and such and so we're like what's up petty love I know so it really just had my jest on your hand so yeah but it's a shame no
yeah it was honestly I feel on that diligent you started 3'2" is my wrong shade so
like is our broad you be on Is our broad to be on Dawson not who like love a big so like I had ruined his like zero love singers I'm like oh I'm sorry Noel to get like then you'll be a just lot
image free to go around James Grove that you know be to relate because course petty love shouldn't fire growth
well like
image with Kane zero Michigiri and joke should the end of a hand
no fear whatsoever
ni das mis because you 5 foot because you're my heart is the Caribbean you shouldn't need joke a bit like was na moon so you mag a film about Rodham was say Glarbon agus cross the cash to that bar on Glarbon you shouldn't no joke like it came from Fuiron free he ring it a moonster star good thing on joke yeah like we miss genau wie man like in so just playing songs passing in the board
but it's in complex though when you be
yeah ach tin was dat wie ma koe blin show blin das ma bus dat die yeah so
but don't Jerry
yeah was that to just nicely the average height go dini nailing I think
tattoo
how much like on tab brother
yeah
but it seems to give the more interactive tombstone version
average height
it's not on the study here ní smó na helle
yeah I can't wait till dini just back because he on phodchraoladh because it's been doing 2154 should believe it on like give things more biography
I guess like god Hugh car really granar so like just a freezing
material completely changed near wish it was all just ligament me and you know
we're sure how again should the man who listen to set you know so like just the clartus Tuesday and then come back to you know na maithe.
They ceann na ankle bracelet sin na go amach in the comedy gigs.
Is nó a go síos céban an chunrú rá se off because bitú rá se más range.
Man seo Tá go fáin seo.
Leir set and then bitú electrocuted. So go then shell a taser.
Sí líon a go tú mag gur chuid den jogadán.
I mean, in fairness, Belchin really grandware that word that you tased the liar stand-up set.
Oh, in sure, could you hardly that Chris Rock?
Yeah, exactly. It's sorted them out.
Hey, tan seal crowd that stand-ups.
Mm.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Just let me just wait your shit in this. So never so to do gober la Bladhaire inis le mar
Níarm sa Bladhaire, germ sa Bladhaire.
Sean Russ.
Yes.
Sean and Conspod inis céin dóile ra.
Well, is asci dóir tá Áine agus well Áine bhreis ní Áine bhuiir.
I was like, no, tá Áine I'm like, where?
Well, is asci dói tá Áine ní bhreis agus tá nós ag bhaintear í dói na nearann sin á a bhacail bí hadabí, so tá do gal gobaí an éit gal gobar. As cloichan íle dúsa, so ri tógu mar sceartma agus Germagine áir sugan agus well Mascan bag sílaman ran farse Hugh ó híú na áirsta ach na bhís geirí peú cin taine a bhóir a chláir sa do chuilma ón treniu fa siúd Bladhaire cin scrún bhín fléim emoji an tamóra gan náam te go fáil agus dúirt siad gréis agus th smainte siad ar cindóid a dar sem has bell Áine go dtí gur dáirí ar néir. Agus há si daoine gáil cin daine chláirte? Blé.
Was an sin tan cúpla duine eile a go a dhearí Bladhaire cumáid.
Oh yeah.
Well, Alexa, Bladhaire.
Bladhaire during Alexa.
Yeah.
Bhí áin agus Hugh cans bhí Bladhaire agus bhím se come géisir se leis show seo ach bí mór seo a déisme, but bí mór gúna géis radio sa sé. Sin man ar an Seinsort ma what the fuck an ruúseo si man boy ní mar feic tá Bladhaire ní é cha nach was it backwards and was it the pronouncer weird and you're like oh no Sinead when I grow kids are freak and was raw.
Yeah, so tá go se bhciil agus le like Bladhaire más bell Áine germs sa Bladhaire agus sin tá Tristan a dhéanaan na stingsbuge dúir sin Bladhaire dúir daoine agus tehíine idir a trí agus a chuig, so rilí bin na hanna go homlan másci. Ach tá se go maiid rilí. Tá se a léirú dal an scéile ar bhaint na nig dús tá se actually ar cool staite, so ha gloisian daine bí mar seire, which is about like heart, but ha gloisian
Tá gahan a ghfuil tú an. Sínom gur gitte is cuid mór den brandathú le Áine can is ar duo sibh tá a gahan gur Áine agus Póilín tátí le chéile agus tá gon ghfuil tú deanú na man hóisiilta cumáin sin is a gen jobíta.
Terrible.
Moim se eiste ag chur ceisiart sa fodcréile seach tá go leor na freigraí ó so beidir go híar
Come on, James, pick it up.
The James ní smó ceisní chur mar tí mé ceisgurt go lei go.
Okay, interview teach car voice. Agus Póilín Vítarráin ní túisce go rá tú radio nar bhí tú an go dó. Agus tú copar an láthir na huide. I binne I cinál an gar an bethe a bhí I ceistad agus tú an óg.
Well, James, is ontach symbol leis well. Na rire das me níos agus hanach man radio gomennicus més tíhandach a bhí taú gom go sta sin agus bhí aithne go mar bhaint bhí gobar an mar sin is cinú neidir a bhí an a galrá na main agus slíbe ha seo aráine.
Íntach. Agus inis gomuid ag Nancy Vug, Nancy Vickling Tam hís gunta hearing. Bé mas lib ganúma. Flá.
Oh my god.
Bhí me lehas bhí ré gomansin, right? Bhí me gala dhéanú si rud a réinme? No, tá tá díra le hiú agus bhí me gala hall. What?
No.
Just a bhí ná bhil ab eáil tá powder puff ó go mú lá agus tá genú áta seir ingus macréna or ortí just cóhex don na sáí investigation be seo ó Tombstone James.
Lad sin anhaid fair pléidíh.
Sin honestly highlight on sin book punch in the podcast and then podcast dus gotí seo.
How much sin is go seach an the snippets na ma go seach an postna there red an westo, but like you're real they were like, well
tá hébre gom.
The triangle of Jake gentle go seo.
Yeah. It's ní rúst ma fuck who want.
Oh, tá bhaid níomh nach a gaiirí.
Facilitator that too. Oh my god.
Mu de Lord go leor faoin radio ach caiitú Lordlin get go geile faoi the bhébí eile faoi de cholacht cártaí.
Cin cos sin am ggóil octoplas a go mé go stéid se.
Well Lordlin get bheag faoin cholacht cártaí mar a dit.
Yeah, há se mar a dit in Jerry 4 fihe cos le literally a hanne ar dóin bhí geidir gróthseart háisimuid le linn na ggéirché mes táinte. Ach rilí bhí sé sin go mé dhéanana gcónaí agus hadó pasta gom ag nó bhí pasta go mé stéin. Ach nuair háisiime deadú na gartaí hadó pasta bé gom so rilí mé go ad go tíanú agus leis mé neabalta ihe. So háisiime deadú cártaí bhád rivision ach th smíine mar riamh cólacht mar sceart a le chéile na siú a bheith gom néhar sin bhí mar galig is it féiltí agus a hanra duile agus bhí mar anéanú dá lá ridalach tomul mór fada agus finne díal na cardaí ar hátar €3 an cin agus le siad le ce a báid dú le genús le chansá business model an sustainable. So hacar má na ruí go haint. Sin iad a dig sé iad a print a mar sceart ach tastal go leor ibre choisteán an le chinge cin acu agus go leor gra an anfachaiste ach cinál tagam aráisiige a an cháhairt is bin séastra an néidre an ó hiú a díal cardaí le bin 16 nálaigh onta greithe ó hiú printíide agus le cardaí nálaigh agus nuair táma millna greithe mar a téma cinál a gcónaí. Tá sé go ddíglam just cinál é a gal ar leúir fé tomid is a seaparéid agus hartarráisiige cinál peak season mar a dúir siid so tá sé a gcónaí hartfa mí dhéidir fór man bhil nuair a dtí deara gom henne fin in le linne teirí nuair tá amagam agus ri fast go marí sefa deidir fór saoin ri agus bin sládon ar fá mísa bim op te haidó me hí go dín da go flog snéithe a chubachas leile agus a gur gotí áfa go fuis agus absolútely tortural man tá gobar in áfa go fuis le máid pakastí a bunim irid soltas ach neall rilí agus thug ma faidir seo agus neall fuga mar níos mór a dóin seo na an brú a bhainein le scuine áfa go fuist nuair tá box mór a doid láha lán le pacha siad a han chingal 6 agus mechan. So siúlan tuiste agus tí túsúla an bhain si a goburnsins tuis gal God.
No tá sí rasríis.
Yeah, essentially a chuir daine géiste arm lehain tí chéan tú snig díal cardaí agus Prince sé. Right, bhí me wandra. So go ní sé áhar am go mé go ní sé dal an scéil ne na daine go thuiste orú ach nar bhain dúhas ag bad a scuine agus dunne bí híal na dhéthir lína béas a go seo dúhas ag bad a scuine dáid láhil lán boxí agus tá na scuine ar dhé agus tá sin chraoladh like oh my god I'm gonna be so forever I'm so sorry like had doesn't an deismarísin a thugann like care packs iste an airplane nuair tá Bobby letha ar siide agus bhíonn tart an like bim geirí like just ridge the heart in the daine barta a stuckal ar mahúil nuir tá mar gur quick an fakastin go bhhain agus actually for my worker and das a jeú bhí na nafi go fuis snadarí bugge agus I'd say gur man bhé an but you're trí a le an ró le like boxí agus chur seair scoine agus te go bhan éit nóla nafi go bhaistin tá se onta bug so me scoine an sin se réitir se a chapa agus an agus like sin se tres an daris so like bin tú naiste so lehain you know go si go dóach sa aga agus haar trastí smuil is dílar hons like what? So yeah,
cé bhéidir hutí cuairt ar thu faoin am seo.
Like kiri like bhís obviously giri chindu. So like a run journey rih nálig nar an I'm like thanks. There's no go leor like Áine ach like dan go tús na bhí mór cum dhéirn like great cos ní mé ha gobar was a ball mór like am nipal arás rih am loin like agus éh Hugh rih a fast journey so really buid am software so stressful cover.
Just bhfuil
éon cárta de mocht ná seola chuig ben.
Well
mis sé hís le a seola duine gins. So
Gin seir carda le bhil tú réit go just lé
no bro I'd say bro attention
Tá mé smúnseart.
So ní mar an hirbro a churán agus rá. Sorry. Mis ríist.
Cóghar just tá dú honnáne hod arm.
Siim go tú smuoite de Póilín seo.
It's like mór art i de chaidir a bhlumsa.
Cheanning se?
Tá méid smuintúart a tanna like na sad deathy flowers like cross out am agus hearts go arú mert.
Just air code mo uachran.
No, sí be stabal to just link a chur stand phones agus ver se Google Maps where they it's just be se pinned QR drop to pin so on QR code drop a pin ra stand address book acu.
Fág bheith duine
next life baby.
Fág bheith duine seoid cartas an card se le chealanis nó cartas tú carátne arms in or whatever agus just seoid tú order se ó James agus just se fi carta just to go maig an méid
man gal gathering ra
a han lu thing is a cheer like
Hugh Ceapan a go thuair mission.
Ceapam is ceapam gur penman mar scarú agus penpal sinna go dtíra.
But me ggéir rá scrapas a bhs go glór daoine ach ní se go a cartáin an is a cheola duineá. Mó rá lethe go grand. Sin réag no 20 please.
Ma box sí a go tá méid Rachel.
go seo count an batch be an operation.
I'm going the loyalty cards on.
Bulk buy agus loyalty scheme. Gur mar síú fan orú mór le Valentine.
Yes. No, see you all day of Galentines.
Jo Hugh can't first.
Yeah.
To my father than this James. No
Galentine's again.
Mar scartu a bheith, she could than the gal pals is fair I think James I think James.
Bhí me géirí sacrú ar a chláir a nealna cin géide go bhór Galentines agus hí me se gur as an maitheh an quarantine but ebrin sin go maiid that Hugh gus le quarantine.
Quarantine CAR.
Quarantine or McGill quarantine. Like
go such an ish fan ish.
You McGill quarantine.
Car star reminder or the phone in ish. To Michigan kun sin úsad mar Instagram caption im Liana in ish or true Jake.
Nu ma even tú stuck ma even tú COVID bit na stuck in quarantine.
Mis sé Grammy ma hafing a cookish gus near smuiti mar sin na chiche Romhainn. I'm raging. Absolutely raging.
Behoor this Sraith Kingal cártaí grey in a lig and then like hook like an Áine bin like wish you we're here.
No, well, sweeter in a couple of me.
No.
But actually brilliant.
Just came to me.
Yeah, I'm still sweeter than James. James of Florida would like your number.
Simply as Áine fucked
Look, just business cards, you know. Sorry, Jim.
No. Just go on board. ID's macho.
Just Jenna ma box of business cards. They just let her lat again like this. Never cool on you I guess. See get you the hurt ma.
It's gonna have to get this leis mic be man like oh yeah, tu a show in the pod feel agus yeah, should have my business card.
Because the snapshot are fast.
James of Flaherty, podcaster, Gaelgore, lover? ?
Future husband.
It could be you.
Just let him picture the chocolate stock scenario.
Uncle Sam.
What does it get out of head? Balny Larta?
Oh, it's a vicious feature. The graphic eagle like only in now and chatting show.
Yeah, I'm telling you. Na Seansálaithe ex Marbh, keep an eye out in this.
Oh,
just in the memoir series, like, you know, Tim Bimman like, just get about Darna, Balny Larta.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
Because like clearness. Sorry, interrupt my mentions and other names, but just switch more. It's like you are always in my flaharta. Then Genson Lock, never mind, leave him with me.
No. It's not like there's no go in the business yards.
My ralat nish Na Seansálaithe ex Marbh ta Sraith agur céad le Valentina.
Merch go you can
Watch this space.
Stall going you punch a shot.
Just been prints on that James, I guess, or no, stop the minute. Does it count on the cutout boards more? Because they booked that James, like just as a railed on your fogu, but he got the AS to go Shaftry Japol's the board. Like a your face here. Yes. You like fun fair and like 19.
Yes. Absolutely. Just a
Gadwa.
Yeah, just a Higler Globek. I mean, absolutely yes.
Tá siúmar am héin agus ag áine agus fiú ag nertas agus. The Swedish look níl orí éon imíhí ní bhéh éon balance of rás like
Well, but then you try to rash leis an cardboard cutout sin gant out.
Probably miss it.
You got to hand fogu. Oh my god. What a concept. Oh my god.
Tá ceist amháin le go gádaína chuirt a churnmuid ar ahandanna a hagan ar an phodchraoladh agus sé sin céim trúr beon ó marú gur bhhail leit a thuirt ag dinnear I dtheach.
Bhí me geirí bheith smuintir sa, dar mar an céim smuintir sa, because chuil me sibh gur céistú í níada agus ar ma jarmid smuintir, so tá le bheith completely ad-libbed. Oh, trúr beon ná marú.
Beán a hall.
Beán
No beyond na mar, but hopefully tuis be ag an jingar. It'd be a bit awkward.
Well, the interactive tombstone acu.
Ihe junior se se frúfa se placan
Come on,
Ein den láan Póilín ar Instagram is bín si cócracht agus tá si an búsí lena chuid tá sort utensils an fancy cíh chuine gearlóg an crack na winch de gearlóg agus ahanir so tá béle ínta ag an trúir seo tá teach.
Gur mí maigah. Well thhfuil míad ligin síos cos béis de géiste seo agus céimetá smuinte a menu. Because gur daoine gcóna ceiste chu dé a dhéanthe a dhéar dahainte a chugann dever ceiste cé a bheit ag junior. So I think really barína trú a gob sean matá ri go gob se.
No, seriously.
Really? Come on.
But also bitter like Chaula like a chaáilte gom bitir go in rash fanne junior. I think go in a rash agus go cracker dógan.
Tás an céad duine le balclinne ra. Dúir me se seo le dahí ó sé an deatcaite agus
Madonna.
Are you joking me? Ní me chun seo a chaimú ar goine nachfuil cáú.
Agus déanta mis.
Thuglam daidir like onta clúise ach like tá go leor daíon tá measa go marú ach sílam gcónaí like bhhart icebreaker inú leth like síle na hanaine nar dhéanaan siad like junior le trúr is like duna bhfuil trúr an go le a réile na heile first of all but you món códa really stagnant neanta go bh geú dinner party be me se cócharacht hafhí námam sa bheith caiintlis na dtíine ar fá like earlid with like so be si like caiint a másca heile so do like Madonna Kim Jong-un agus like I don't know Pavarotti agus like ginger códa go le acu Hansen a Jude around by the way.
Oh well, no sinna tu mis gon seo garúne so that it's in the true anim we're going to very creatively edit Seanish so
Ga Madonna vis brass na tiki that gentleman.
Oh yeah.
Sky Pavarotti party piece again.
Jenna on An Scoil na worship of Brath Glass Jenna
That came on clips na amsú etneart na clúg an caiidir se Tá sé éanseart Bhí sé éanseart an cartlan or na G agus bfu si mahan ar mar retire
Caiú é amsú cos tá rudí cloisteomsa ón archive for Damien clipúsa there's me like chuig blian de is in Scoil over Plunket run the Fáilte he's the bon Scott ag réile a hannaí gro mastíon rang hín nerv me actually ní an bhaga because I wanted to figure out more le Michelle shout out to Michelle
I know that's great I mean it's my church you actually boil am Sean Lock of ancient fasta
great shout
just I bet you're just Scafjo 8 out of 10 cats just kind
yeah Vacker John of them that's gon Sean of a good kind
Sean agus John agus Jimmy Carr no not Jimmy Carr Cian da le mai oh I love Roisin Connerty no sorry it's I'm Greg Davis just basically how in your wish I'm just party mode
so cast vi going na true right agus
that dinner dance stashi comes
jair around you can see them make a punch then true rocking it that like
but sure lachnig that you beat the neiste or machais mar anda so came you know then you facut had been able to visualize le michna so the entire cast
Póilín na bheith ag nerachtas.
Yeah.
Jip John Richardson ag club na bhéile.
Is Jack agus amach. Is Jack.
All right.
All right.
All right, little dance into it.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so dinner party.
Dinner party. Ní heagla just é and you have to bring an session on one of her stuff. Well, on that note, mar Jaron shit or John Richardson ag da so hart in ag club de féile. Sílim gurbéisi gur mí mai was like hanning bhí géisiart Póilín ar dúspáir cinna eisgur féidir a dingi tú a amsú mat just geir tú a fáil ar na main hosta ná ar an radio ná cabbíte bhain dinge tú.
Thig libh méal I maitha conaí bé min sin chuid smó an am an nó mas radio a char mé na hofan géad an am a taistel idir éitena ach mu géirí mé amsú ar líne hégla mé amsú ag pollination ar Instagram, TikTok agus Twitter.
Tá like an car sin is like iconic mar background in the Hudge TikToks faster like sin an net is more I think
it's been parkalta just like to clarify.
Yes, no, it's not neat like in Banch of each someone she's a motorway like
an M50 is in the guard they got on the J Hansen Misha or Mr. Breeze like you.
That's my cup.
The thing we tell gay shot is you've called him her TikTok dance stock ratchet James. The moves like James.
Mar shame amsan is má úidir brn go bhfuil mór TikTok feed I lug an óran sin agus bí mar like rá. Bí mar ná groove all bí I think bhfuil is am a damsa I lug. Like agus ní chréal mar luga is like ná fatsar mé all I think I might get right in it.
Isn't the algorithm at Cheshbound videos that Chadini did James of in a dose, so obviously when do like how could you want to
Chadini?
The heart wants what it wants. Test. But the guy the Chancellor, I'm sure in the manual shot. Igní ma amsú ar Twitter na seansaí ar Instagram na seansaí ag sé mat the guy ar James to new TikTok dances hey ad gáil ar YouTube hí le go mitch ar TikTok with notes ar YouTube an seo ar na seansaí sé an fi an gáil seo mat the guy Áine amsú ar na main hosta tá sí mar Áine weir ar Twitter Instagram agus TikToks tá James #influencer ó Bladhaire mar Bladhaire ar ahan le man hosta sin Twitter Instagram is TikTok is mit géir mahéna amsú na man hosta tuisir mar Hugh here ar Instagram Hugh here ar Twitter agus Hugh ar TikTok Gabi eile bhil rud bhí go gaim ran solar
like really the brand Tadiel sis Hugh like Hugh car here it's on it or yeah Hugh car it's here it's really
so it's about message and Hugh
so tá daine bhfuil come to Hugh car acu ar Twitter agus ní lech tweet ahhain agus dearnte agus níama mágu bog fat zero sin é
Danne an lei sé handle ag Póilín like an Gaelic agus úsin sin jog an bearla an aim like Margaret aim so by him really robbed sin dach
sin part 2 sin part 2 don chláir gur mí maigeh was bheith géisiad ar an phodchraoladh agus ar radio rira mar is scrap mu be ahan Áine ar i hátalog ú sin bín repeat ar an lún fásta má táid cáilte máthagad ach gotí an seaachtain siúginn gur mí maigeh is bheith géisiad agus bhím cáitleh a rééis bhaine TikTok tá sé plu cáilte a rééis le Eagrán eile don na Seachtainí. Slán!
Fun!